when she was pregnant उसने कम से कम 6 या 7 किताबें पढ़ डाली.
And this child gets used to a lot of applause and a lot of, you know, attention.
कुणाल, हर किसी का parenting तरीका अलग होता है. So what are some parenting practices that you and Soha disagree on?
Oh God, I think सारी शुरुआती disagreements होती है.
मुझे सारे answers पता है, but I'll leave it to you. You tell our listeners, please.
Like I think you know किसी भी चीज़ का कोई perfect formula है नहीं. I think वो शादी से ही शुरू हुआ था, जब you know शादी से पहले advice इतनी मिलती थी कि इस तरह होना चाहिए, उस तरह होना चाहिए. Parenting में भी मुझे पता है कि सोहा तो हर चीज़ में इतनी किताबी है कि when she was pregnant उसने कम से कम 6 या 7 किताबें पढ़ डाली. पेरेंटिंग पे she wanted to be prepared for everything. तो मुझे ऐसा लगा कि वो जंग पे जा रही है, इस तरह से तैयारी चल रही थी. वो जो अंदाज अपना अपना में जो परेश रावल जी का कैरेक्टर था ना कि सर शक्कर डालने का टाइम हो गया क्या, तो राम गोपाल बजाज की बेटी टाइप ऐसा हो गया कि उसका लिटरली 12 बजे ये 4:30
But you have to break that now.
I try to, but I have not been successful. और वो literally it's that moment where you're like कि अभी should I like fight this battle or wait for the war?
Yeah, obviously I knew I could have answered this question. But
how much credit of you being a good mother goes to Kunal?
We come from very different backgrounds. The way that he was brought up and the way that I was brought up are totally different. I was also brought up where, you know, my mother was working, where we did have a nanny, he didn't have a nanny, you know, so he may not agree with a lot of things, but we've compromised on a lot of things, and he's given me the freedom which I know he has an opinion on things on, but he has allowed me to exercise it. Of course,
milk being one of them.
Yeah, exactly.
Soya milk or dairy, right?
Yeah. So and also lots of things
Lots
in terms
of
of her
things,
diet. In terms of the fact that, you know, also we don't need to change things up all the time. She doesn't need to constantly go to 100 different things and be entertained.
Absolutely.
You know, he'd say we grew up, you know, in 2 rooms and we would be fine.
Would be like just, you know, playing on the floor.
You don't have to give her different vegetables every day. You know, like whatever. Like I want to do the best for her. There are times when he says, you know, I don't understand, like this, going to play dates and all he still feels is like a woman's job. He'll always ask me, you know, how many husbands were there? How many fathers were there? And sometimes there are, like even the play group that I take in Aya 2 and the preschool that she goes to, there are fathers who go there. But, you know, he'll also constantly not applaud in Aya. If she's doing something, I'm constantly like, wow, that's amazing. She's drawn a line, it's amazing. She stood up, it's amazing. And this child gets used to a lot of applause and a lot of, you know, attention.
Right.
Sometimes Kunal will just ignore Inaya. And I'll be like, you know, she's looking for you. Give her attention.
Give her attention.
He says, I don't need to, you know. It's normal for a child to be around. She can't be the center of attention
but
at all times.
But I think even Saif is very much like that.
So I think maybe, I don't know if that's a...
So you're balancing it out. He kind of also...
I know that she loves being on swings. And I said, you know, I want to get her a swing. And that's where he said, okay, look, like I don't want her to have everything. Even if you can afford it,
of course,
she should also look forward to going to Taimur's house because he has a swing.
Exactly.
It has to be something that she knows that she can't
I think
have
that's
all
very
the time.
right.
And, you know, a little perspective like that is also helpful for me.
Kunal's attitude is very much like Saif's, even though आप लोग दोनों भाई बहन हो और similar background से है, but I think Saif, because he's had his fair share of, you know, actually working in the industry at such a young age and doing everything also on his own, that I think even his attitude is a lot like that.
I think so.
He always constantly fires me. He's like, what is the need to constantly entertain your child? Why does it have to be that he has to go out every day?
And he must learn how to entertain himself. And you know, also be okay with one thing. Otherwise, they're constantly... Then they'll require that stimulation.
Usually makes the first move to obviously make up.
Who do you think?
I mean,
सोहा, you know, जैसे कहते हैं ना कि कई लोगों की डिक्शनरी में impossible शब्द नहीं होता है. सोहा की डिक्शनरी में sorry शब्द है, लेकिन वो पन्ना पड़ गया है और वो कहीं और किसी ने डाल दिया कि वो मिलता ही नहीं है. वो कभी मिल गया तो ऐसे लगता है कि mind blowing चीज हो गई. So to be very honest, me.
Yes. See, I knew that, but obviously, you know, it's not me saying that. Yeah, I think that it's not that. I think, वैसे भी I feel even Saif says sorry, like he is the one who always says sorry also. I think men generally probably it's them doing the mistake.
It's the only question that we can raise our hand first. कौन sorry बोलेगा?
But maybe you guys do the mistake also, na? It's not like...
I agree. I agree with you.
आप लोग ने कुछ किया होगा ना?
100%
So that you'll have to better to just say sorry and end it and, you know, make peace. Otherwise you can't sleep.
Hey, can we do what men want sometimes, please?
That's the next season.
Would you say that your bond with Kunal has become closer after Inaya's birth?
I think it changes. You know, your relationship with your husband changes. And there's a rocky period also
Right.
where you realize, and because we spoil each other so much, Kunal and I, we have been very close, you know, for like almost
I know, it's just
11
been,
years
yeah,
now.
it's just been you and
And we've been, you know, in a house where it's just him and me.
Yeah,
We've gone on
absolutely.
holidays at the drop of a hat. So it's very, now suddenly, to have a third person in our life that we have
yeah,
to
you're
look
sharing
after.
your life
Yeah.
with you know, someone else.
So it takes time to adjust to that.
Yeah.
And both of us feel equally jealous. You know, if he's with her, it's an odd thing where, you know, I know when I'm with her, he's also understanding that that's my child, and I'm happy that she's with her. But I
Yeah.
also want my wife to be my wife.
Yeah, and be just with me.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So to manage that is
you're
also-
walking a tightrope.
You are all
Yeah.
the time. Women are constantly,
constantly
being
doing that.
mothers, daughters, sisters, wives. You know, it's many hats,
But
many times.
mere saath, I think Saif is just like, he's just obsessed. He's
That's
like,
true.
okay, fine. I have to push him out. I have to tell him like today, वो भुज जा रहे थे shoot के लिए, and I had to tell him. He was like, नहीं, cancel the shoot. I can't go. I can't leave Taimur. I'm like, you have to go. You have to go. And I have to tell him that I want to be with you also now. Sometimes alone. You know?
Yeah,
So,
of course. But I can see that in him, and he's so, you know, so in love with spending time with Taimur. So many times we've organized play dates as well.
Yeah.
And, you know, I'll get a phone call saying that, you know, Taimur can't come because he's hanging out with Sir. So I'm
Yeah.
like,
Oh, God.
Okay.
तो जब हम बड़े हो रहे थे, I think ये जो paparazzi culture है, उतना नहीं था. But I think now Taimur and Inaya both have to, you know, kind of, it's just there. It's in your face. So how do you feel when you, like, you know, open Instagram or go on to the internet and you see pictures of Inaya?
You know, there are times where, I mean, I don't think much about it, but then there are times where it bothers me. And honestly, that is the only answer I have for this, क्योंकि हमारे लिए भी ये paparazzi culture बहुत नया है. I think Taimur is the first baby who brought in this baby paparazzi culture. क्योंकि उससे एक साल पहले ही हम भी used to हो रहे थे कि पहली बार मुझे लगा कि रेस्टोरेंट से बाहर निकले और फोटो खींच रही थी. मैं कहा यार ये क्या हो गया. Now you have to take care कि कैसे पहने, बाल
Hollywood
कैसे
में
लग
देखा
रहे
था.
हैं. हाँ, तो वो इतना नया था और जब ये शुरू भी हुआ तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि इवन दो हमें ये चीज़ समझ आती है, उन्हें ये पता नहीं है. एंड आई थिंक इट्स स्लाइटली अनफेयर टू देम क्योंकि दे हैव नाउ बीन बॉर्न इनटू दिस वर्ल्ड जहाँ उनको लगता है ये नॉर्मल है और उनके जो ऐसे दोस्त होंगे उनके लिए नॉर्मल नहीं है. आई डोंट नो द काइंड ऑफ साइकोलॉजिकल इफेक्ट इट माइट हैव ऑन देम इवेंचुअली, क्योंकि एक टाइम पे वो बड़े होंगे एंड देन मे बी दे माइट गेट आउट ऑफ अ रेस्टोरेंट से कि यहाँ पे कोई नहीं है, दे माइट आस्क अस दिस क्वेश्चन कि ये फोटो क्यों खींचते हैं. सो आई डोंट नो व्हाट दैट कन्वर्सेशन विल बी ऑल अबाउट. बट हैविंग सेड दैट, मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि बिकॉज इट्स देयर, आई डोंट वांट टू स्केयर द चाइल्ड कि अरे अरे छुपा दो ये हो रहा है, क्योंकि उनको वो शायद समझ में नहीं आएगा. बट आई ऑल्सो हैव टू से कि टू अ सर्टेन एक्सटेंट अभी तक जो paparazzi culture है, they've been pretty respectful of the times.
Yeah.
If you tell them कि नहीं, then they say no. It got a bit dangerous. I remember जब Tim and I had gone to some swimming pool and दूर से किसी ने zoom lens.
yeah.
So that I completely am against. That is not okay. Especially like a parent has to be aware कि ऐसे हो रहा है.
Yeah.
It can't be that खुफिया thing happening somewhere.
Yeah, that's true.
So I know that as a parent, I'm extremely worried. What is your take on Inaya being photographed?
Firstly, I think Taimur is perhaps, it's a more extreme case than Inaya. I know that he's often followed to, you know, wherever he goes actually. And with Inaya, it's a little less so, but it's still worrying.
Yeah, it's still there.
It's still worrying. I don't know what it is about these particular children, or whether it's children suddenly in general, star children, celeb children, that, you know, people have taken an interest in. But it is, I'm sure, it's going to take away from their innocence. And I remember a huge part of my childhood being private, things that I did that nobody knew about.
Yeah.
And I think you're entitled to that. Every child wants, I think, especially in high school and school and when they're young, they don't want to stand out. They don't want to be different.
Yeah.
They want to belong. And it can be tough growing up. You want acceptance, you want friends. And if people think you're different, they tend to keep you at an arm's length.
So that is extremely terrifying.
It is very terrifying.